this is Sandra with a mortgage center in beautiful downtown Guelph, Ontario. Today's Mortgage Monday is going to be on how to negotiate the best mortgage rate for you. Obviously, if you call someone like the Mortgage Center in our office, we do all the negotiation for you. We're like total master negotiators. I've been doing this for almost 15 years, so I know all the little ins and outs and the intricacies. But if you want to go from bank to bank to bank and negotiate your own interest rate, I'll give you a few insider tips. Obviously, the first one is check online. But you've got to be really careful about what you see online. I find that many financial institutions right now are posting rates, and it's just a bait and switch strategy. So what I mean by that is you see a rate, you actually call and you find out that that's not the rate you're eligible. And the reason for that is some of the most influencing factors have to do with credit score and loan to value. So what the loan amount is versus the value of the house. And I know this might be totally counterintuitive, but in fact, if you are buying a house and then you have less than 20% as a down payment, you're actually probably going to be eligible for the best rates on the market if your credit score is excellent. And that's because the mortgages are default insured. If your mortgage is coming up for renewal, certainly give us a call, even if we are not the financial institution that you have your mortgage with. So what to do with all this information? Well, always ask your friends and family for a referral. Check things out online. The website that I always like to refer to, which is reputable, is www.cannex, spelled CANNEX.com. And then check with your friends. Who have they used? What kind of experiences have they had? You always want to come to a mortgage broker, because if you go to a bank, remember there are some really great bank people, people who work at banks, but they're just sales reps for that financial institution, and you want to make sure that you have looked at all of the options online that are available to you through a mortgage broker. You also want to check out Google reviews. I had a call last night from a client, and he said, you know, your Google reviews weren't perfect, and that's why I called you. We try to help and do our very best for every client, but sometimes things don't go as smooth as we'd like to. A lot of companies now are paying for Google reviews, so kind of keep that in mind. Also, if you've been offered an interest rate, I give clients a 15-minute free consultation on the phone at no charge, and I'd be happy to just chat with you, give you a few specific pointers about your current financial situation, and maybe just give you a couple of tips on how to negotiate a mortgage rate for you. Thanks so much. Check us out online at www.skipthebank.ca, and I'm signing off for now.